Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best supergloss is probably one of the most sought-after car care products on the market today, promising a showroom-quality shine and robust protection with minimal effort, making it an attractive option for car enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike who want to maintain their vehicle's aesthetic appeal and preserve its value against the elements. This innovative spray aims to deliver a professional-level finish right from your driveway, cutting down on the need for expensive detailing services and allowing you to achieve that coveted deep, reflective gloss that turns heads wherever you go. Number 5. Turtle Wax Hybrid Solution Ceramic Spray Coating. Experience durable paint protection with our advanced ceramic wax polymers. This formula creates a shield against UV rays and contaminants, keeping your car cleaner for longer. Achieve a stunning, mirror-like finish that enhances your car's paint. It boosts color depth and clarity for a high-gloss appearance. Watch as water beads and rolls right off its slick surface. This extreme water repellency reduces drying time and prevents water spots. Applying this protective coating is simple. Just spray it on a clean, dry car and buff with a microfiber cloth, even in direct sunlight. Use it on all exterior surfaces, including glass, headlights, trim, and wheels. It provides protection wherever you need it. What we like. This product offers long-lasting protection against the elements. It creates an incredibly slick surface that repels water instantly, reducing drying time and preventing water spots. If you are looking for a durable shield that keeps your car cleaner for longer and offers extreme water repellency, this is the one for you. What people say. The spray is incredibly easy to use, just spray and wipe, and it leaves a brilliant shine. It creates a hydrophobic layer that makes water bead up and roll right off, keeping the car cleaner for longer. The coating provides excellent UV protection, preventing paint fading and oxidation from sun exposure. Number 4. CR Guys Hybrid Spray Wax Kit. Discover the advanced car wax from CR Guys. It's designed for a long-lasting shine that's incredibly easy to apply. Achieve a brilliant finish with minimal effort. This formula provides durable protection for your vehicle's paint. Worry-free application is guaranteed. It is safe to use on all surfaces of your car, ensuring no damage. Simply spray and wipe for a professional-level shine. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to get incredible results. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need. You get an 18-ounce bottle of our powerful spray wax and a premium towel. What we like. This spray wax provides a long-lasting shine with an incredibly easy application process. It is safe to use on all surfaces of your vehicle. If you want a product that is simple to apply, delivers a great shine, and is versatile enough for any part of your car, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. This product is amazing and it works so well. I love this product and it is so easy to use. This product is a must-have for any car owner. Number 3. Lifeproof Ceramic Coating Spray Kit. Discover the ultimate solution for your kitchen and bath surfaces. This advanced formula provides a brilliant shine while sealing and protecting. Experience a new level of radiance that transforms your surfaces. It's designed to make your kitchen and bathroom gleam like never before. Our powerful coating creates a durable barrier, safeguarding your countertops and fixtures. Enjoy long-lasting protection against daily wear and tear. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and everyday grime. This spray actively repels messes, making cleaning easier and keeping your surfaces looking pristine. Applying it is simple and quick, delivering impressive, long-lasting results. Enjoy a protected and beautiful home with minimal effort. Invest in the longevity and beauty of your kitchen and bath. It's the smart, effective way to maintain your home's appeal. What we like. This product is designed to protect and shine various surfaces, repelling stains and grime effectively. It creates a durable seal that keeps surfaces looking their best. If you're looking to protect and enhance the look of your kitchen and bathroom surfaces, this is the ideal solution for easy maintenance and a lasting shine. What people say. This product is very easy to use, just spray and wipe. It provides a great shine and protection to the car's paint. The hydrophobic properties are excellent, making water bead up and roll off easily. Number 2. Flowgenix Grand Finale Waterless Car Wash Spray. Introducing a breakthrough in vehicle care. This spray dissolves dirt on contact, providing long-lasting protection without the need for water or messy soap. Achieve a stunning, mirror-like shine on any vehicle, old or new. Its advanced formula creates a deep, protective ceramic coating that lasts for months. This product forms an impenetrable shield against scratches and damage. It's engineered to be significantly stronger than traditional waxes and sealants. Experience the easiest and most advanced hydrophobic coating. Its nanotechnology creates a protective barrier, offering superior defense against the elements. Easily protect the exterior of your valuable vehicle. This detailing spray ensures a flawless finish every time, keeping your investment looking its best. Revolutionize your cleaning routine. This waterless wash and wax is the cost-effective solution, saving you time and money compared to traditional car washes. What we like. This offers a breakthrough in detailing, providing a waterless wash solution that cleans, shines, and protects. Its advanced formula creates a hydrophobic ceramic coating that lasts up to 6 months. If you want to save time and money by skipping the traditional wash and achieve a showroom shine with superior protection, this is the product for you. What people say. It makes my car look like it just got a professional detail. The shine is incredible and it lasts for weeks. Easy to apply, just spray and wipe. Number 1. Chemical Guys Hybrid V7 Spray Sealant and Quick Detailer. Introducing a revolutionary spray sealant and quick detailer that delivers a dazzling high-gloss shine. It refreshes your vehicle's paint between washes, leaving a stunning optical clarity. This advanced formula effortlessly removes fingerprints, dust, and road grime. It bonds to the surface, revealing a brilliant gloss and bringing any paint color to life. Protect your car from the harshest elements with ease. It creates a durable layer of shine and defense against the rigors of daily driving. Our advanced engineering ensures it protects any exterior surface. It guards against the sun's rays, rain, road debris, and unsightly water spots. Easily maintain your existing sealant or wax coating. It makes virtually any exterior surface shine while adding essential protection for your daily driver. What we like. This product delivers a stunning high-gloss shine with exceptional optical clarity and durable protection. It's perfect for refreshing your paint between full washes and maintaining existing sealant or wax coatings. If you desire a brilliant, mirror-like finish and want to easily maintain your car's protective layers, this is an excellent choice for an on-the-go shine. What people say. The spray is easy to apply and provides a deep, glossy shine that lasts for weeks. It creates a hydrophobic barrier that repels water and dirt, making car washes a breeze. The coating protects against UV rays and minor scratches, keeping the car looking new. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.